to make USA TikTok account. To create a TikTok account based in the USA, follow these steps. Download the TikTok app. Go to your device's App Store, Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS and download the TikTok app. Install and open the app. Once the app is downloaded, install it and open it on your device.
Sign up.
Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, then select Sign up to create a new account. Use a valid email or phone number. Provide a valid email, address, or phone number to register your account. Create a password. Choose a strong and secure password for your TikTok account. Set your birthday. Enter your birthday to verify your age. TikTok has age restrictions, and you need to be at least 13 years old to use the platform. Customize your profile. Add a profile picture, username, and bio to personalize your TikTok account.
Switch to us region.
To ensure your TikTok account is associated with the USA, go to your profile settings, tap Manage Account, then select Switch to Pro Account. Choose the category that best fits your content, and you'll have the option to select a region. Choose the United States. Once you've completed these steps, your TikTok account will be set up with a connection to the USA. Keep in mind that TikTok's features and settings may evolve, so it's a good idea to check for any updates or changes to the process. TikTok is a platform where everyone is able to show their talent. Thanks for watching.